Let's go over here to this trail, bud. After you, little dude.
Yes, I think you can research this.
Tim's Talbot Land Trust. Okay. Ticks may be found in this area. We'll have to watch out for bugs. Should be all right. All right. Here we are. Land Trust Meadow Lily Natural Preserve. And okay.
Everyone, today is another video.
Put it up there.
We are going to be exploring.
All right. Okay, Harley, we're back. A couple said they've seen big beavers here. All right. You can do some talking, buddy. Okay. All right. We got here. Game trail. Ooh. Looks like a.
Going across the bridge, okay?
It's a big canine. Coyote.
You coming?
Yep. That's a little dude. I'm coming. That's a water source. Hey, Harley. A honeybee farm over there. They do raise bees. They teach people about bees. It's another food source. Oh, the big tree. All right. Which way you want to go?
Yeah, I want to go this way.
I don't know if we can get in that way. Let's check. Well, okay, let's see. Stake probably from the tree up here. Okay, now let's try this way. Off trail.
It's possible. I know it's possible.
Think it's possible to go through here? Here, you do this. I'll move this out of the way. I don't think we can get much further there, bud. I bet you there's an opening down there we can get close to the river. Okay, let's try this way. Yeah, let's go back. Harley, we can't get through there. It's very thick. Okay, yeah. Let's go back. Good. All right. There's Mr. Adventure the Star Harley. And this. You are the one that wanted to do this with Grandpa. And Grandpa always wanted to do this when he lived in California and as a little kid. There's a trail back there, but
You can run through there.
hey, Harley.
Can we do a quick one?
Hey, Harley.
Can we do a quick one?
Harley. Yeah, there's a trail over there. There's one trail that goes right back into there. But let's do this. Go over here first.
Okay. Let's just
Okay. Oh. Is this a trail? It looks a little wet there. No, you got shoes on. We don't have boots on.
It's fine.
No, you're not getting. Your mom's gonna kill me.
No, it's fine.
Nope.
Oh,
All right.
see?
No, we can't get that.
You can.
It's wet down there.
Okay, so what about we just
We can't go.
go to where it's not wet?
It's flooded. That whole section is where the.
I know, but let's just go to.
Oh, here. Let me go check first. Let me go check first. Okay. None of us are crossing it.
It's kind of flooded, but it's not that flooded.
Oh, yes, it is. Water level came up to there. No, you can't go through there. Harley. That's wet. We gotta go on. Keep going down. There'll be more trails.
Hold on, I want to do something real quick.
Okay.
So, folks, we are going to do a quick exercise session. Okay? Ew! Okay, I'm not going to play the game after that. What the heck? You do that. Hold on. Please stay off. What the heck? Okay, I understand this. Why would we stay off if there's literally no hanging? Spider-Man.
Okay, here's a trail. Let's see if we can get through here.
Yeah, we can.
Alright.
It's actually pretty,
The river's still moving pretty fast, Harley.
yeah, it's not that flooded over here, though. It's not
Yeah, there's.
flooded.
Let's see where this goes over here. Probably go along the river over here. Okay.
We should not go there.
Game trail. Okay, hold on.
That's danger.
Yeah, we can't go down there. That's like a 25-foot drop straight down.
Okay,
Okay, let's
so
try.
what do we do?
Okay, you want to try going through this?
Yeah, we
Look-
should definitely do that.
Looks like
Not
a game
that-
trail.
Not that quick.
Yep.
That's working.
Yeah, looks like a game trail. Just lift it up over your head. Alright.
They're not good.
Let's see if there's anything else this way.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, listen to that blue jay. That noise. Anything down there? Okay.
A 9 minutes? Only 9 times?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, boy. 9 minutes. It's not that
Probably
close.
came off this tree here. Or definitely that tree right there.
Grandpa, you coming?
Yes, sir. Yes, little dude, I'm coming. There was a trail down there. Was. Okay. This way? Yeah, you can go that way if you want. I'm gonna go this way. I'm too big for that. There was a trail back there that would go in that area. So, yep. Okay. Okay, let's go down here further. Somebody's old baseball cap. Zabo Secondary School. Built 2000.
I'm tired, man.
You relax there. I'm just going to check this out. Check this area out. Beaver's been spotted. Let's see. Anything down here? Okay. That's a good places to hide. Here and across the river. Three ducks. Way down there at the eye. Something squeaking. Okay. Let's continue.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Saying Spider-Man already. That's not a good sign.
Spider-Man, can we take a break and just lay down?
Break?
Because I'm tired.
Why would you be tired?
I'm tired.
You're tired.
Why am I so fast?
Harley, how did this root ball get here?
Okay, what the actual hell?
That's unusual. You see root ball in the tree.
How did that get there?
There's nothing around for it.
Really nothing around.
It's not from this tree
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
or the other tree. We have here's a root ball tree. Broken branch. Well, that comes from down there, broken off. That's explainable. Alright. So ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
You're charged up?
Yeah,
Okay, we're heading back. This trail ends pretty much here. There's trail. More.
cheese.
Alright. Oh, woodpecker. 2 woodpeckers up in that tree, are they? Uh-oh.
Manual. Okay, let's go.
They're gone. They look like woodpeckers. Okay, let's go.
Grandpa.
Yeah. Yeah. You know, I think later on this year,
Yeah.
we are going to come back. There is another trail, goes up into right up into there.
Can you put the camera in the backpack?
Okay.
Camera in the backpack, please.
Just testing the shotgun mic.
Spider-Man,
Part way.
Spider-Man. Blah, 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 blah. Like, seriously, blah. Wanna get packing?
See, right in there. You can go right into there. Look like there's a bunch of trails and stuff all in there.
No. I just want to get to your place because I'm tired.
Wild bushes. Different.
So we're gonna go back to the car. Don't put your pants. I'm not gonna poop your pants. I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna be exhausted.
Let's try this.